guys, happy Saturday. It's your 100th favorite HVAC guy here. I got my typo negative shirt on. If you don't know who that is, look it up. If you're one of those rap hip-hop assholes, then you probably won't know, or maybe you're one of those real lame asses that listens to pop music and stuff. Probably listen to Taylor Swift or something really lame. But I was a headbanger back in the day. I was in the mosh pits doing it all. I don't do that anymore. But yeah, typo negative. One of my favorites. If you don't know who Peter Steele is, look him up. Rest in peace. Two of my favorite songs were Black Number One and I Love You to Death. I think I Love You to Death is probably my favorite song from them. But they have many hits, many great songs, and they were really great live in concert. But this isn't a music channel, but yeah, typo negative, baby. So today I'm just going to do some cleanup of my shop. It's a mess. Let me show you real quick here. I got shit everywhere. Cleaning up. I cleaned out some of my bigger jobs, but I got stuff everywhere. Look at this crap. We're gonna get this organized. I like to keep myself a pathway to move around, but I got empty boxes from deliveries. I got duct everywhere. I mean, even my beer fridge that I set up recently is blocked. Got those old ACs back from a customer. I always give them temp AC if it's gonna take me a while to get them AC. But yeah, I got lots of cleanup to do. I'll show you the results when I'm done. It's about a half hour's worth of work. It's looking better. Remember, guys, an organized HVAC guy is a productive one that makes money, takes care of his customers, and keeps his family fed, most importantly, and keeps them happy. I'm going to keep organizing stuff. I got lots of overstock here. I'm probably going to try and do some returns into Gensco and Johnstone. But you guys have been following my videos. You know that hasn't been going very well when I try to do that. They usually send me back stuff that's perfectly fine to return. Such is life, huh? At least I can get to my break now when I need to build fittings. Also, guys, I've been cleaning up here. You can see I'm sweating like a stuck hog. It's warm out here. I should turn that baby on, but I got all the doors open. It's fine. This is that carrier defrost board that I replaced, and I have the one out of the box was bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up some 24 volts to this, and I'm going to do some troubleshooting. That'll probably be a video, I don't know, maybe next weekend. I'm busy this week, but yeah. Oh, that's my refrigerant burn on my thumb right there. I got huge blisters on my thumb. Yep, and then also on this, or sorry, not on my thumb, on this finger and this thumb. Yeah, don't be a hero and try to push a Schrader core back in when it failed. That's what I was doing, like an idiot, like a rookie. Alright guys, we're looking pretty good out here. I got the desk pretty much cleared off. Desk, table. I got my, here's a shameless plug, 10 Barrel Brewing Juicy Drama beer I'm drinking here on this beautiful Saturday afternoon. I switched my calendar over to July. It's my Donald Trump cat calendar that my wife got me. Hey, it's just all for fun and games, guys. I don't care about either side. None of them give a shit about us. It's just, you know, you got to pick the lesser of two evils, and I think I know what the most evil is. But yeah, we're getting all clean. My daughter's out here, so I'm keeping her out of the video. But yeah, we're looking good. I got my Bosch M20 right there, guys. Bosch air handler. I miss these 410A systems. They got the new 454 out, and they raised them $1,000 per piece of equipment. And I said, "F you, fuck you. I'm not putting them in anymore." So here we are. Oh, you gotta love that too. Alien versus Predator chess. Hell yeah. Living the dream here on a Saturday, enjoying life. Alright guys, so a little closing video on this fine Saturday. I know a lot of people could care less what I have to say, but I'm going to say it anyway. And I've mentioned it many times, so it's kind of funny because one way or another, I get customers that find out I have a YouTube channel, and my business persona is much different than my personal persona. Like how I act, what I do, I separate the two. I'm totally professional when I'm working. I just want to talk about work for the most part, and I want to take care of my customers. By the way, guys, that refrigerant blowout, I got a huge blister there, and this one I had tape on. It's going away, but yeah, I hurt myself pretty bad. But I have a different persona in my personal life than I do professionally. I think I'm a lot more goofier when I'm off the clock, but when I'm in front of customers, it's complete professionalism. You got to be able to separate the two. I've worked with lots of guys. Yes, I'm drinking some beer right now. That's part of separating stuff. But over the years, I've worked with lots of guys that, to be honest, they drank like fish. They smoked weed like fish. I don't know if fish smoke weed, but they smoke a lot of weed. Smoked a lot of weed. Some of them were doing the white drugs. But and I don't do any of that. I just drink a little bit of beer. I'm gonna make that very clear. Don't smoke weed. I don't think I've even seen it in 10 years. I like to drink beer, but I've worked with lots of guys that have done everything but a couple of beers to a night, up to doing, maybe they're doing hard lines of white stuff at night. But they showed up to work ready. They probably had something in their system, which I guess is a liability. But they got the job done. They knew how to install HVAC systems efficiently, and they were good workers. Now, I worked with a lot that did that in their off time, and it showed. It affected their work, and that's when it's a problem. My drinking beers rarely does, because I know when I have something I have to do the next day, I keep it to a minimum. And I know I got stuff I have to do. I have responsibilities. I have a family to take care of. I have a mortgage to pay, and many, many other bills, a business to run, and all that. So, people make random comments about, having a few beers or whatever, and they think that you're an alcoholic, and that's completely ridiculous. Everybody's professional on the internet, and they know what's going on, and they know that you're they just know in their heart you're a bad person, regardless of how you how you conduct yourself in a outside of YouTube. They think what they see is like they know anything. This is fantasy world to me. When I'm on this camera, it's fantasy world to me. This is not me for the most part, but I'm telling you straight facts here, if that makes any sense. You have to be able to separate the two. This is purely for entertainment. And I have lots of customers that watch this channel, so I gotta watch myself. I can't be a dirtbag, and I'm not a dirtbag. I'm a family man that takes care of my responsibilities. I like to keep things organized. I organized my shop today on a Saturday after I worked almost a full 8 hours on a holiday. So if I was a complete dirtbag, I don't think I would do that. What's coming up next? So obviously I'm not working tomorrow. Absolutely not. I might run out to my last customer's house. I left my vacuum cleaner there. I'm going to go get it because I'll probably need it this week. I'm heading up to a job. It's a 5-ton heat pump replacement. This is one of the ones where I rescued them from the green and yellow trucks here in town. Another one. They tried to sell them right off the bat. I didn't try to. I did everything I could to try to fix their system, but it was just the compressor. I could tell when it started up it was sounding clunky, and we're not replacing a compressor in a R22 system. We're just not going to do it. It's not ethical. It's not a good thing for the customer. So we're putting in one of those run true side discharge systems. It's a 454B system. I've been trying to put 410As in as much as I could, but I can't get any 5 tons. I couldn't find any. So we're going to do the run true 454B system. So we're going to do that. It's probably going to roll into Tuesday because I'm going to do a bunch of duct fixes for them. Not actual trunk lines or anything, but I'm going to fix the way they did the filtering and some of the transitions. I'm not going to make sure it doesn't deadhead on the supply up above, but just I'm going to make it look nicer. You guys will see it on Monday and Tuesday. And then Wednesday, I got to head back down to that the Sun River job. They're complaining now. I gotta button that up to where they can get people in there because they rent it out, especially here in the summertime. So they just weren't communicating that well. So it's taken me a while to get back out there, and you know, it's a big paycheck when I get it done. So maybe I should get out there. And then I got a compressor change out to do, and then I'm going to do my next Coleman 16 SEER heat pump system at the end of the week. And then I got all kinds of service and maintenance stuff rolling into the next week. I'm sure more installs will come in because we're going to be in the low to mid 90s at least next week for a few days. So that'll bump up. Plus I did a new Facebook advertisement. Hopefully they're sending that advertisement to the right people, because I get comments all the time on Facebook that there's someone in Indiana or someone in, you know, Massachusetts that's getting my advertisements I'm putting on Facebook, even though I'm trying to target a 50-mile radius around my house. So I think there's kind of a racket going on there. But I won't bore you anymore today. Life is good. Oh, and I'm also going to do, you know, I venture outside of HVAC quite often. I'm going to do my top 20 albums of all time, music albums. I like doing stuff like that. I'm kind of a movie, music, nerd, TV shows. I mean, you've seen all my Seinfeld stuff. It's the greatest show there ever was. And you know my favorite movie is The Shining. I love that movie. I think it's 1A, and then Jaws is probably 1B. I know people tune in to watch HVAC stuff on this channel, but I like to venture out and do other stuff. But I'm going to give you my top 20 albums of all time. And you might be surprised at some of the things I pick. It's not the normal stuff. I'm kind of a weird guy, and I kind of like stuff that most people don't see. And there's a lot of stuff that slips through the cracks that people just don't see. And I'm going to have that for you coming up. So lots of stuff going on. I appreciate you watching the channel, and God bless everybody, and live a good life.